So, Ruslan, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So, first of all, I have to say the trailer of Namaste Wahala is looking really interesting. It's something different from what we have seen earlier. So,
Yeah,
congratulations for
thank
that,
you
because
so
even
much.
I was going to comments on YouTube and people are loving it.
Yeah, I was also pleasantly surprised actually. I had no expectations because I had no idea that the movie will, release on Netflix. I just thought that, I'm doing a film for Africa and it will just release there. I didn't know at that point of time that one day it will be a Netflix original film. Then Netflix will buy it, and today luckily it's a worldwide release, so everybody all over the world will get to watch it.
So, the movie is releasing in just few days. So, how excited or nervous you are for it?
I don't know yet. There is a little nervousness now, which is setting in because I haven't seen the film, and it's going to release, and people from all my friends and all my relatives abroad who are in America and Australia, they all have Netflix. Everybody watches Netflix. Everybody that I know of, and they're all going to watch this movie at some point, and they're going to message me or have an opinion on my work, because still now what has happened is, whatever work I do, if it is good, then I send it out to them so that they watch it, and then they praise me for that work, which I already know that it's good and I've filtered it. But for the first time, it's going to be something that I have no control over. Everybody is going to watch it, and they are going to tell me their opinion of my work. So I have no idea, because when I did this film also, I honestly had that attitude that अभी इंडिया में कोई नहीं देखने वाला है इस film को. So I've really just done the film. I was most relaxed. I was just chilling my way through this movie. Um, even in my entry shot, right, I had a shot that I come out from the ocean like James Bond. तो मैंने सोचा था कि before this, we had a few parties and get-togethers of the crew. So I was eating food and I was enjoying my life, thinking that अभी यहाँ पे कौन देखने वाला है, मतलब who cares if I am fit or no, as if anybody in Bollywood, anybody in India is going to watch this. So I was hogging, and then I had no idea that one day this ad or this film is going to come, and in the promo this shot is going to be used. So luckily it's looking okay, even though I have not seen any shot or any clip from the movie. Whatever the audience is seeing, I'm also seeing for the first time. So I'm a little nervous about that. But looking at the promo, I think it should be okay.
So, of course, when you watch the trailer, it looks like an interracial love story. And when we talk about it, have you witnessed any such thing in real life? The whole drama that goes around, especially, we Indians are known to be more dramatic in such situations. So, have you seen anything that thing in real life with your friends or family?
I think it is very common in India, especially with a love marriage. You could be from the same, religion also. यहाँ पर तो obviously होता है कि Hindu, Muslim, and you're a Muslim. अच्छा, you married a Hindu. How did that go? So I get that question a lot, because my wife is Hindu, but my mother is also Hindu, and I keep getting asked that question, that how did it go? How did the in-laws react? Were they okay with it? Sometimes the same thing happens with people who are even Hindus. Like, you could be a Gujarati and you want to marry a Punjabi, and then the families might have an issue with that also. So I think in that sense, issues against love are throughout, in every community, in every religion. Everyone faces that, wherein your parents do object or question your choices, um, be it of somebody from a different country, or even from the same country, a different religion, so it can go on. I also felt it, but my in-laws issue was that I'm from movies. I'm an actor, so they had a problem ki actor hai, and the reputation of actors in the regular Indian thought process is not very good. Nobody wants their daughter to get married to an actor, because they fear a lot of things, ki divorces ho jate hain, yeah, whatever. So I faced that problem, but once they met me, they were okay.
Right. So, when you shoot a Bollywood film and of course when you shoot an African film, is there any difference you felt while shooting for Namaste Wahala also? Is there any difference out there?
Absolutely. The acting style is very different. Over there, the actors are very, they are very real. Okay, so I had scenes जहाँ पे मैं अपनी co-actress के साथ झगड़ा चल रहा था, so we were arguing or whatever, and in between my lines, she used to keep cutting me. So I was just like, I used to stop, like, and I used to really get a little fumbled. Ki, every time I'm saying something, she would cut me, or she would do something in between. So then I was, every time I used to stop, and I eventually asked her, like, you don't let me complete my line. So she's like, see, if you are having a real argument, then you're not going to get to complete your line. So figure it out. So I was like, okay, so their acting style is totally real, and they'll really go for it. So another thing was that, here we shoot a wide, and then we shoot a close up, and we shoot everything in different cuts. But there, whatever they might do, they are not bothered about what's happening on the camera. They're just bothered about their performance. So they will do the whole scene again and again and again. And they're really they love their work. They love acting, and they'll keep doing the same thing again. So for us as actors, we are used to, कि हमको पता है कि अभी close up है, so we know that the entry and all that has happened in the wide. So I don't really need to do the same thing again. But for them, it's like they need to get into the scene again and again. So that is a difference. I think in that sense, they are more passionate about acting than we are. We become very professional with the way we are acting because we are doing it very often. And for them, the cinema is very, very important.
So, Ruslan, when you started in movies, there was Mera Pehla Pyar, then there was Tere Sang. People actually loved your performance. Everything was going well. But then I would say that in the past few years, we haven't seen you much on the big screen. So what's the reason behind it? Did you become selective, or there were not good offers coming to you? What's the reason behind that?
I think the reason for me to not have done too much work is my own fault. Because the kind of offers that I was getting, I used to refuse them, thinking that मुझे तो करण जौहर के साथ फिल्म करनी है, यश चोपड़ा के साथ फिल्म करनी है, and all the people who approached me, I used to tell them no. So all the people who were chasing me, I used to refuse, and I was chasing people who used to refuse me, and that is the biggest mistake that I made in my career. If I just said yes to all the opportunities that I had got, maybe I would have had 25 films to my credit today. I do not know what kind of films they would be. I do not know if they would be appreciated or not, but there would be a quantity of work. And because I changed my attitude, that's how a movie like Namaste Valhalla also happened in my life. Because I started saying yes. Earlier फिल्मों को मना करता था, फिर ऐसा वक्त आया कि मैं टीवी को मना करने लग गया. So I've just been refusing work. Then when I was doing TV, web के offers आते थे, तो मैं web को मना करता था. Because what happened is, at the time when they were offered to me, they were not very big platforms. Like when I was doing movies, movie actors looked down upon television, thinking that yaar TV kaun karega? If you're a movie actor, so if you do television, then your career is over. And when I was television, I used to think, who'll do web? Yeah, it's smaller and it's smaller budgets. And then by the time I decided to do web, it had already become big. So I always decided, I was always one step behind. So in that sense that, I have always waited and seen that, acha, theek hai, everybody is doing television, chalo, I'll also do television. Then it was like, okay, everybody is doing web, chalo, I'll also do web. So I've always been one step behind.
Right. So, what's happening next after Namaste Valhalla? Where do we see you?
So next I have one web series which is called The Perfect Script. It has me, Rajneesh Duggal and Rahul Dev as the main cast. And there's a girl called Monica Rathod who's opposite me. So it's like a thriller, and it's got a little, like a murder angle, wherein, I'm having an affair with somebody and I'm trying to get her husband murdered.
So it was really nice chatting with you, Ruslan, and all the best for Namaste Valhalla. And thank you for being with us.